and we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 221. Let me show the charcoal filter. We'll find it under filter, filter gallery. It's in the sketch folder, the third option, or just use the drop down where it's alphabetically sorted. And you can see it turns basically any image into a charcoal drawing. We have 3 parameters to adjust. First one is the charcoal thickness. Low values will give you thin, fine lines. High values will make them thicker, so it's going to be a stronger outline then. With the detail, you can adjust how much of the original details will be preserved. So if you go down, your result will be simpler, a little bit more abstract, you could say. If you go higher, it's gonna capture a lot more edges, fine textures of the original. Finally, we have the light-dark balance. If you go down, it's gonna be brighter, so more mid-tones and less shadows will be visible. If you go higher, the blacks will be deeper and you'll have stronger shadows. Don't forget to confirm we are OK, and this is how you can use the charcoal filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.